Hello and welcome to Cooking with Anand. Today we have very special guests,
Sophia, May,
and today we are making,
grapes,
also known as
crepes.
Yay!
We have completely melted the butter.
And now we are going to add the batter to the bowl and continue to mix that up.
Yay! And you want to make sure you never overmix it during this process because it can start to form gluten, which will make it so your crepes are not as tender. And you want to add in your liquids in stages because if you add it in all at once, it'll get clumpy. Now, as we're mixing, we're going to slowly add in the rest of the milk in small intervals and continue to mix it all up. You want to cook the crepe for a minute or two until you see the edges just slightly pull away from the pan, and then you take whatever you have and you scrape underneath on the edges, and then you check underneath, and once it looks slightly golden brown, you flip it over and then cook it for about another 30 seconds to a minute. We have our final crepe here, and now we're just gonna put some powdered sugar on top. You can put whatever toppings you want on here. Fruit, Nutella, chocolate sauce, whatever you want.
But we chose to put powdered sugar.
All of our crepes are done and decorated, and we decorated them with some chocolate ganache, caramel sauce, and a berry sauce, and then with some whipped cream. And all of the recipes for all those sauces, as well as the recipes for the crepe, will be on the website, cookingwithanand.com, and there will be a link in the description box below the video. So, May, you want to tell us how to properly eat these?
So after you decorated your crabs, normally we fold our crabs, so you have to like fold in half. Press a bit. And after folding out at time quarter, and that's how you fold your crabs.
Mine is already folded.
So now you can eat your crabs and enjoy your time.
Yay! Okay, let's eat them. Yummy. Thank you so much, May, for coming, and thank you, Sophia, for
The
also
crumble
coming.
tastes a little burned.
We're editing that out. Tune in next time for Cooking with Anand. Bye!
Bye!